A motorcycle rider is stopped by police due to an obscured license plate. When the officer attempts to adjust it, the rider becomes agitated, tries to move the bike home, causing it to tip over and fall.
No, it's not.
Enraged, the rider threatens to sue the officer and the department, resists arrest, and the incident is captured on video.
To ID who I am.
Plate needs to be displayed.
My plate is displayed.
I can't see it.
You can't. You can't.
Do not move that.
I'm going to my house. I'm suing you, bud. I can tell you that right now.
You walked off from my traffic stop. I'm detaining you for my safety.
No, you're not.
What happened?
You put hands on me, you're getting sued.
Stop.
Stop. Get your phone out, record this.
Come with me. You walk off from my traffic stop again, you're going to jail.
You're getting sued. You and your whole department, bud.
Stop.
Don't put hands on me.
Stop. Right here.
Don't
Stop.
put hands on me. You are on video, bud. You're getting sued. You're getting sued.
Stand right here.
Your town is going to pay me big, bud. You are going to pay me big. I want your sergeant here now.
You think I'm dumb? You think I'm dumb? You don't see you guys swapping seats? Keep your hands where I can see them, all of you.
You got nothing, sir.
You think I'm dumb?
I'm sorry.
Don't move.
I'll get out if you
Driver, turn the car off.
Turn it off, guys. Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off.
You guys want to be honest with me, or you guys want to do this the hard way? Why are you swapping seats?
Because I'm not going to be driving.
Okay.
I apologize. I got my wallet.
Nope, you didn't. Just keep your hands where I can see
I'll get on
them.
the ground if you want me to. I promise you.
There's 3 of you, there's 1 of me.
I'll get on the ground. I promise you. I won't do nothing. I'll get on the ground. You can put me in cuffs and all. I promise you. I'll get on the ground. You can take my phone and I was doing Uber Eats. This is his girlfriend's car. He was tired. I got my license. I'll get on the ground. I promise you.
You got a driver's license?
I have my ID.
I got my license.
Yeah,
You keep your hands where I can see you, driver.
You can put me in the cuffs and all. I promise you. I promise you, sir. I swear to God, I promise you. You can put me in cuffs and all. I won't do nothing. Nothing at all.
Or was it like a car like this?
No, it wasn't car.
It was a narc?
Scale of 1 to 10. 1 being you're completely stone cold sober, waking up ready to go to church, okay? 10 is you are passed out drunk in a ditch. Where would you put yourself on that scale?
You said what? I can drive home.
You really believe that?
Yes, I can.
With the wholeheartedly?
Yes, I can.
Well, no, you can't.
With my son?
I can tell you this. Hey, I can tell you this. No, you can't, and no, you won't. Follow the pin, okay, with your eyes. So stare at the pin with your eyes.
Yeah.
You're looking right into my eyes. You got to follow the pin with your eyes. Follow it back the other way. Follow it. Look at it.
Yeah.
You're not looking at it.
I'm looking. I'm not drunk. I'm not drunk.
Stay down.
I am not, man, I'm not drunk.
You're going to stay down.
You trying to make me drunk.
The driver is going to be taken to Tulsa County Jail, and he's going to be charged with child endangerment, DUI, his lane changes, and any other traffic violations that we happen to see or come across during this process.
Hey, what's up, man?
Hey.
Let me see your hand.
Well, you opened it.
Yeah. Let me see your fucking hands. Right now.
Yep.
You want to get shot right in the fucking face?
Hey,
Do you want to get shot in the face? Because I'm fixing to.
want to go there?
Yeah, let's go there. Go there. I'm trying to separate your feet so you're comfortable. You ain't gonna come at me like that, I promise.
That kid was speeding so bad, he almost hit another kid in a bike.
I know. That's why I stopped him.
Another one? You almost hit me too.
Ma'am, that's why I stopped him. Have a nice night, okay? You don't have a driver's license?
I do. I mean, I have that for now. I'm still waiting for the new one to come in.
Okay, but do you have a driver's license?
Yeah, I do.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, man. Here's your documents.
Thank you. I'm sorry, we're on it for a safety in here.
That's fine, but
Sorry.
almost killing each other is
No,
not the
'cause
way
we're
to
trying
start on the
rush back
first
to
date.
this apartment because it just got really carried away. Sorry.
I know.
It's my fault. It's really my fault. I swear.
It's not your fault, because if
No,
he gets
it
into an
is.
accident, it's his fault.
No, it's my fault.
Listen,
'cause I was
you're getting 3 tickets. I could have given you a
lot.
lot more, okay? You're not even supposed to be driving at this time because you have a provisional license.
Oh my God.
So
it's
you're
my
getting
fault.
reckless. I didn't give you speeding. I'm giving you that break, all right?
It's my fault.
You got reckless, the traffic light that you ran, and for driving after hours. All right, man?
Thank you.
Get home safe.
Thank
Yo, this is the same kid. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's the same car I just had, Sarge.
What happened?
That's the same car I just had, man.
What did you have?
That I stopped him for speeding.
Okay. All right.
Damn, bro. God. just stop that car? Yeah, just hit him off with 3. Like,
oh, that was the same car?
Yeah, I told him, like, bro, slow down. I see, like, it's my fault. We're trying. It's not your fault. If you get into an accident, damn, bro, young as hell, man. Young as hell, bro. All good. I'm just 20. You all right? Yeah, I'm good. You sure? Yeah, I'm fine. It just sucks. It sucks.
If you need help or whatever, okay?
Yeah.
Reach out, because...
If anything, talk to somebody.
No, I know, I will.
You did the best happened, okay?
I know.
They just didn't want to listen.
Yeah. It sucks.
If anything, you know, the best
It's like
thing.
my age, that's why it sucks. It's like, damn, bro, it's like, it's not worth it. Enjoy your time out, bro.
I need your ID, please, so I can write you a summons.
You will be willing to write me a summons?
Yes.
Outstanding.
I need your ID also, please, sir.
I don't think that's going to happen.
Okay, I'm going to place you under arrest then.
You're not placing me under arrest.
Come here.
You have no right to ask for it.
Come here. All right. Taser. He's under arrest for trespassing and for disorderly conduct.
Public property. Not disorderly.
When he's in front of the business, yelling "F everybody."
That's not public property. It says freedom of speech. You want to know why? Because cops like you.
And he refused to give me his ID, which he's required to do.
For what?
So I could issue him a citation for trespassing.
It's not trespass.
They kicked him out of the property.
Man, where'd they go? Back here? You guys coming in this way? Nope. Where are you coming in at?
We just checked the disaster garage.
Okay.
That there was lots of broken window in the back.
Okay. You want me to hold it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stop! Shots fired! Shots fired! I'm hit! I'm hit! Shots fired! Ah! Ah! I'm hit! Stop! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Stop! Stop! Get on the ground! Whoever's at the stop sign, he's running behind you. I'm hit. I'm bleeding out of my arm. Get a tourniquet on me. Get a tourniquet on me. I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding.
Go, sir. We're good. We're good. Yeah, good.
I'm bleeding.
You're good. You're good.
Get it on there.
Yeah, we're good. We're good, sir.
Yeah.
Yep. We just checked the detached garage. Check the front door. That door's locked. There's a broken window in the back. Someone want to hold it? Yeah, there's a broken window. Door just closed. Door just closed. Hey, come outside with your f***ing hands up! Back door. Drop it! Hop over the fence, running northbound.